In this video, I am going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to start driving sales to your affiliate offers. And this is XB Marketing with another video. So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process that you can use to start making sales on Clickbank. All right. So the first thing you want to do, you want to create a Clickbank account if you don't have one. And also keep in mind, you can repeat the same process that I'm about to show you in this video with other affiliate network like Digistore, JVZoo, and the likes. All right. So I'm going to be taking Clickbank as an example in this video. All right. So the first thing you need to do, you want to pick a product. All right. So basically, as you can see right here, there are a list of categories that you can click and you can find numerous products to start promoting right away. All right. So now I am going to go to the health and fitness section right here. So if I click on health and fitness, as you can see right here, we have a list of products that we can start promoting right away. And as you can see right here, this is the amount you are going to make per sale that you make on each of these products. So what you want to do from here, you want to go through this product and you want to look for the one that has a decent gravity and also has a decent commission. So as you can see right here, this product is going to be a very good product to start promoting. As you can see, you are going to make almost $120 per sale that you make for this product. As you can see, the gravity is over 300, which means a lot of people are making money promoting this product. And you can tell from that this product is converting. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on the promote. So when you click on that promote button right here, you want to generate your uplinks. So you want to click on this generate uplinks. So once you click on that, this is your affiliate link right here. All right. So once you grab your affiliate link, you can go on a new tab and paste the link right here. All right. And you can see this is a video about the product right here. So after they watch this video, they will be displayed the link to purchase this product. All right. And once they make this product, and once they purchase the product, you will get $119 per sale. As you can see my username right here, it means that whenever a sale is made on this page, it's going to be credited into my account. So basically, you always want to do that to make sure that your link works correctly. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to a website called many.link. All right. So basically, I'm going to show you how you can promote Clickbank product effectively and make money doing so. All right. So now you want to create an account with many.link. If you don't have an account already, all you just need to do is go to many.link.com/register. So once you come to this page right here, all you need to do is type in your email address right here. And I must emphasize that whatever you are typing in this box right here, it must resonate with the niche that you want to work with. Okay. So if you are in the health and fitness niche, that you want to type in something related to health and fitness right here, and then you want to create your account. So once you're done that, this is what your account is going to look like. As you can see, my link right here is many.link/weight loss 24. All right. So basically, this is going to be my link right here. So what you are going to do from here is pretty simple. All you just need to do is add a couple of links right here. So if I click on this add link right here, all right. So now the next thing you want to do from here, you want to go on to plr.com. As you can see, this website is going to give you free articles that you can start promoting right away, and you can make money off them for absolutely free. So since I'm promoting a weight loss product, I'm just going to scroll down here to look for weight loss articles. All right. So I'm going to click on this weight loss right here. As you can see, these are articles about weight loss. So you can see this one right here, burning fat versus burning calories. Are your thoughts about your body holding you back from success? So basically, as you can see right here, a lot of people who have used this article have also rated this article. As you can see, this article right here has a 3.95 rating out of 5. And also, if you scroll down, you're going to see other articles as well that you can use. And if you don't want to use this article, by all means, you can also go to Google as well, and you can type in weight loss guide. All right. So basically, once you do that, you're going to see a lot of articles on Google. You can grab those articles as well, and you can rewrite those articles, or you can go on Fiverr and have someone write you an article if you want. So basically, those are other options if you don't want to use plr.com. So we are going to be taking this as an example. So you want to click on that. So you want to click on the article right here, and basically all you just need to do is grab the whole of this article, and then you want to go to docs.google.com. All right. So basically, once you come to this website right here, you want to click on this blank. So once you click on this blank, you want to paste in the whole of that article right here. All right. So basically, you can go through this article if you want. So basically, I'm not going to go through reading this whole article in this video, but you can do that if you want. And then also you want to make sure you grab the heading of this article as well. So once you grab that, then you want to paste the heading right here. If it's too big, basically all you just need to do is reduce the font size. All right, everything looks good like this. So from here, the next thing you want to do is you want to type in your number one recommendation to weight loss. All right. So all you just need to do is you want to highlight this, and you want to come to this link section right here, and you want to click on this link, and then you want to paste in your Clickbank link. All right. So you want to grab that up link, and then you want to paste it right here, and you want to click on this apply. All right, as you can see, it's highlighted right here. So once they come to this page and click on this button, so it's going to take them to the Clickbank product. So what you want to do is you want to copy this and add it to other section of the page of the article, and also at the bottom of the page of the article. All right, so once you're done with that, all you just need to do is click on this share, and once you do that, you want to click on this change to anyone with the link. You want to copy the link, and then you want to click on done. So once you're done with that, so you want to go back to your mailing link account, and you want to paste in the Google Doc link right here, and then you want to paste the topic of that article right here. All right, so once you do that, you want to click on create link. All right, as you can see right here, the link has been created. So basically, once they come onto this page, this is what they're going to see right here. So basically, you are going to repeat the same process for other articles right here, and you want to add more links. Okay, so all you just need to do is add link, and then you want to repeat the same process. As you can see now, I have 2 articles linking to this Clickbank product. So once you're done making all your link, you want to also change your profile picture. All right, and you can basically go on to pexels.com. So once you come to pexels.com, you want to type in weight loss right here. All right, so once you type in weight loss, you're going to get a lot of free images that you can use as a profile picture right here. All right, so basically I'm going to take one of these as an example. So basically I'm going to take this one right here as an example, and you can come right here and you can change it to 1000 by 1000, and you want to download that. So if you go back to many link, you want to upload the image. So let's upload this one. All right, as you can see now, our image looks perfectly okay. So now once you're done with that, you have your image, you have your articles. You want to copy this link right here, and you want to go to a new tab and see what it looks like. So this is the link that you are going to be promoting right here. So basically, once your traffic come to this page and they click on any of these articles right here. So if I take this first one as an example, as you can see, it's going to take them to this Google Doc. And if they click on this link, the link is going to take them to this Clickbank product right here. So as you can see, once they make any purchase for this product, you are going to get paid in your Clickbank account. So basically, this is a very simple way to drive traffic to your Clickbank offers. So now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic. So what you want to do, of course, you want to go onto Facebook and join weight loss group. And you don't want to go to this group and spam them. You want to give value in this group, just like you are doing right here. As you can see, this article right here gives value about losing weight. So basically, you are giving them value as you are also promoting your affiliate link right here. So when you're in the Facebook group, basically, you want to come right here, and then you want to share maybe a before and after photo. So basically, you want to come to Google first, and then you want to basically grab maybe any of this before and after photo. So basically, you can upload that before and after photo of weight loss, and you can basically type in how the articles on this page helped you to lose weight, and you can leave a link to these articles right here. So basically, like I said, once they click on this link right here, it's going to take them to this Google Doc file right here. And once they click on this link right here, they will be directed to the Clickbank product. And once they purchase the product, you make a sale. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you find any value in this video, please leave a like on the video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.